to get all of your dimensions on a drawing. Things get crowded. I would abbreviate as much as possible. We're going to talk, that's like lecture 4 or 5, that it's towards the end of the chapter. So we will talk about that. There's a common saying we do, if in doubt, spell it out. Okay, so if I can find it in that appendix, no, I can do it on there. I don't have to worry about it. They should understand it. They'll have that access to that same information. And abbreviate the heck out of stuff, because you'll need that space. I think I've mentioned architectural floor plans before. Without a doubt, the hardest things I've ever dimensioned, ever. It's as hard as it gets. Those things got so much information on one view that it's next to impossible to get them to read really well. And boy, you want to just abbreviate, and get them down as small as possible. And so I'd like you to get in the habit of it now. But the statement is, if in doubt, spell it out. So if it's not in that assignment sheet, then folks, for now, if it's not in the ANSI approved list, Appendix A1 through A10, spell it out for now. Okay. When we get next semester, we go architectural and we go civil, we'll cover different ways of doing something. Because if I got some new material I'm using, okay, I can give them some notes right at the start and say, hey, this is not an approved abbreviation, but I'm going to be using it. Here it is, this is what it means, and then we run forward with it from that point forward. A lot like if you remember in English, you had to write that out, and you would write the word first and then put the abbreviation that you're going to use from then on in brackets right next to it. Okay, and then you could use that abbreviation from then on forward. We do a lot the same. Okay. So there are ways to get around that. If in doubt, spell it out. Get familiar with Appendix A1 through A10. That answer all your questions? So this should be on every drawing from now forward. Okay. If you're still finishing up drawings from 133, I don't need the notes on it. Just 134 on it. Tell you what, I've got another 15 minutes to go, and it is Monday morning, even though it's Tuesday morning. Let's take a quick break, and then we'll come back for about another 15, 20 minutes and be done.